Isa sa mga nagbaton sang pagkilala sa 2023 5 de Nobyembre pasidungog sa mga bagong abaganihan sa probinsya ang Master Teacher 1 sang Ibi Magalona National High School nga si Sir Rafi Berena. Magluwa sa pagkilala nga Outstanding Negrense in the field of education, ini amo pa man ang pinakalamharon nga awardee. Subong nga aga sa spotlight, si Sir Rafi ang kilalahon ta.
Bilib ba mga puso ang isa sa mga Outstanding Negrense kag pinakalamharon sa mga napilian ha. Kilalahon ta sa mga agaw po, di kapuso Eileen Pedreso.
This morning, makaupod nato ng one of the 8 Outstanding Negrenses for 2023. Si Sir Rafi Berena. Mayong aga, Sir Rafi. Welcome to GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Maayong aga, Miss Eileen, kag sa tanan nga ato nga tumalan ang subong sa GMA Early Edition. Good morning sa inyo tanan dara.
Una tanan, Sir Rafi, congratulations kay ginkilala sa atong probinsya ang imo serbisyo sa imo mga estudyante kag isig ka pareho. Pero ano bala ang changes sa life mo since the day you were awarded as one of the Outstanding Negrenses?
Since I was awarded, I've been receiving congratulatory messages from colleagues, from former students and friends, and it feels good, man, to have these messages, no. And as a teacher, I have to go back to my regular routine, and receiving the Outstanding Negrense Award inspired me and motivated me to do more and be more for my students.
Sir Rafi, nga ang pagka-teacher gid sa kadamo no ang imo ginpili nga path. Is this your dream na bala nga madugay na or twist of fate kung tawgo naton?
When I was a kid, I really wanted to be a journalist, and after graduating in college, I planned to take up mass communication, but God's plan is better than my plan, and there are million good reasons gid nga God made me a teacher.
Sino bala si Sir Rafi sa sulod sa hulot klasihan? Kag sino naman sa gwa na?
Sa sulod sa classroom, I am a fun-loving teacher. I always make sure nga my students enjoy the class. Kaya para sa akon, mas namian ang mga estudyante magtuon when they feel good and happy. But I always make sure nga my students value discipline and respect, man. And outside of my teaching career, I'm a fun-loving person, man. And I love hanging out with my friends. And I'm proud to say that I have maintained a good relationship with my friends since elementary. And I always make sure nga I get to spend the quality time with my family as well.
Siyempre mga kapuso, we believe na there is something special sa imo no, ang ginhimuan and why you were chosen. Hindi pa lahog-lahog, you are the youngest awardee. Pero ano bala ang mahambal mo nga tatak kag mapabugal gid ni Sir Rafi as an educator?
As a teacher artist, siguro, advantage, no, ang pagiging artist at the same time teacher. And I always make sure to use my creativity gid in my lessons and in the way I deliver my lessons in class. And in my 10 years as a teacher and at Teatro Laraguay advisor, I can proudly say that many of my students now are professionals and serving in various sectors of society. Some of them are my co-teachers now, and it feels good, gid, kag feeling ko nagaka-validate ang time ko and effort that I poured out in my work.
Ang pamangkot, hasta san-o ayhan si Sir Rafi, matudlo kag magiya sa mga kabataan.
Yes, I will continue to serve hasta kaya ko. There were a lot of opportunities that I could have left the classroom and go somewhere else, but I'm still here. Siguro this is exactly where God wants me to be.
Ang imo mensahe sa mga ulihing tubo, especially sa may handom man nga mangin manunudlo?
Sa tanan-tanan yung may mga handom nga mangin teacher, nurture that passion in you. Take every opportunity to grow, be of service to others, find a mentor, allow yourself to be bent, sharpened, and molded. And most of all, pay forward the graces and goodness you receive from other people.
There you have it mga kapuso, Mr. Rafi Berena, one of the 8 Outstanding Negrenses for 2023. Thank you so much, Sir Rafi.
Thank you so much, mga kapuso. Thank you so much, Miss Eileen.